What if the air inside your home is more polluted than outside, and you don't even realize it? The truth is, everyday items like furniture, paint, and even cleaning products release invisible toxins into your air. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive gadgets to fix it. Just a few powerful plants can naturally purify your air, boost your mood, and transform your space into a healthy green sanctuary. In this video, we're revealing 6 air-purifying plants that are not only beautiful, but actually work. Let's dive in. 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called one of the toughest houseplants, and for good reason. This plant thrives on neglect, making it perfect for beginners or busy homeowners. But what really makes it special is its ability to purify indoor air. It absorbs toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon dioxide, helping to create a cleaner breathing environment. What sets the snake plant apart from most plants is that it releases oxygen at night instead of during the day. This makes it an ideal choice for bedrooms, where it can improve air quality while you sleep. Its upright sword-like leaves also add a modern, stylish touch to any room. Caring for a snake plant is incredibly easy. It prefers indirect light but can tolerate low-light conditions. Water it sparingly, only when the soil is completely dry, because overwatering is the fastest way to harm this plant. It can survive weeks without water, making it perfect for people who tend to forget plant care. In addition to its air-purifying benefits, the snake plant is also believed to bring positive energy and improve overall well-being. Whether placed in a bedroom, office, or living room, it's a low-maintenance plant with high impact. If you want a plant that looks great and works hard behind the scenes, the snake plant is a top choice. 2. Areca Palm. If you're looking to create a tropical vibe while improving your indoor air, the Areca Palm is a perfect choice. Known for its feathery, arching fronds, this plant instantly brightens up any space. But beyond its beauty, it's also a powerful natural air purifier. The Areca Palm is especially effective at removing toxins like xylene and toluene from the air. It also acts as a natural humidifier, releasing moisture into the environment. This can be incredibly beneficial in dry climates or air-conditioned rooms, helping to reduce dry skin, irritated eyes, and respiratory discomfort. This plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and prefers slightly moist soil. Unlike drought-tolerant plants, the Areca Palm needs regular watering, but be careful not to overdo it. Well-draining soil is essential. It also appreciates occasional misting to keep its leaves fresh and vibrant. One of the biggest advantages of the Areca Palm is its ability to make a room feel alive and refreshing. It's often used in living rooms, offices, and even bedrooms to create a calming, nature-inspired atmosphere. If you want a plant that not only cleans your air, but also adds a lush, luxurious feel to your home, the Areca Palm is an excellent choice. It's like bringing a piece of the tropics right into your living space. 3. Spider plant. The spider plant is one of the easiest and most rewarding houseplants you can grow. With its long, arching green and white leaves and tiny baby plants that dangle like spiders, it adds a playful yet elegant touch to any room. But this plant is more than just decorative. It's a powerful air cleaner. The spider plant is known for its ability to remove carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and other harmful toxins from indoor air. It works quietly in the background, helping you breathe cleaner, healthier air every day. One of the best things about the spider plant is how easy it is to care for. It thrives in bright, indirect light, but can also adapt to lower light conditions. Water it moderately, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. It's also very forgiving, making it perfect for beginners. Another unique feature is its ability to reproduce easily. The small offshoots, or pups, can be cut and replanted to grow new plants. This makes it not only a great plant for your home, but also a wonderful gift for friends and family. Whether placed on a shelf, in a hanging basket, or on a windowsill, the spider plant is a versatile and low-maintenance option. It's a perfect combination of beauty, function, and ease, making it a must-have for any indoor plant collection. 4. Bamboo plant. Often known as lucky bamboo, this plant is famous for bringing positive energy, good luck, and harmony into a home. But beyond its symbolic meaning, it also contributes to cleaner indoor air. The bamboo plant helps filter out toxins and improve overall air quality, making your living space healthier. Its sleek, upright stems and minimalistic appearance make it a popular choice for modern interiors. One of the most appealing aspects of Lucky Bamboo is its versatility. It can grow in soil or simply in water, making it incredibly easy to maintain. If grown in water, just ensure the roots are submerged and change the water every couple of weeks to keep it fresh. This plant prefers indirect light and should be kept away from direct sunlight, which can scorch its leaves. It's also sensitive to chemicals in tap water, so using filtered or distilled water is often recommended. In addition to its practical benefits, Lucky Bamboo is often used in feng shui to attract prosperity and balance. Different arrangements of its stalks are believed to represent different types of luck, from wealth to happiness. If you're looking for a plant that's easy to care for, visually appealing, and meaningful, the bamboo plant is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for desks, countertops, or any small space that needs a touch of greenery. 5. Money plant. The money plant, also known as pothos, is one of the most popular indoor plants, and it's easy to see why. With its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, it adds a beautiful cascading effect to shelves, walls, or hanging baskets. But it's not just about looks. The money plant is known for its ability to remove toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide from indoor air. It's a hard-working plant that helps create a cleaner and healthier environment. This plant is incredibly low maintenance and can thrive in a variety of conditions. It grows well in both low light and bright indirect light, making it suitable for almost any room. It also requires minimal watering. Just let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. One of the best things about the money plant is how quickly it grows. With proper care, its vines can become long and lush, creating a stunning visual impact. It can also be grown in water, making it a flexible option for different setups. In many cultures, the money plant is believed to bring wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. Whether you believe in its symbolic power or not, there's no denying its practical benefits and beauty. If you want a plant that's easy to grow, visually striking, and beneficial for your air quality, the money plant is a perfect addition to your home. 6. Jade plant. The jade plant is a small, succulent plant known for its thick, glossy leaves and tree-like appearance. It's often associated with good luck, prosperity, and positive energy, making it a popular choice for homes and offices. While it may not be as powerful as some other plants in removing toxins, the jade plant still contributes to improving indoor air quality. It also releases oxygen and helps create a more refreshing environment. One of the biggest advantages of the jade plant is its low-maintenance nature. As a succulent, it stores water in its leaves, meaning it doesn't need frequent watering. In fact, overwatering is the most common mistake. Allow the soil to dry completely before watering again. The jade plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight and can even tolerate some direct sun. With proper care, it can live for many years and grow into a beautiful, miniature tree. Its compact size makes it perfect for desks, windowsills, or small spaces. It's also an excellent choice for beginners who want a plant that's easy to care for but still visually appealing. If you're looking for a plant that symbolizes growth, success, and stability while being incredibly easy to maintain, the jade plant is a great option. So those are 6 powerful air-purifying plants that can transform your home into a cleaner, healthier, and more beautiful space. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves plants. And remember, sometimes the smallest plant can make the biggest difference in your home.